Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. Today we're going to talk about some of the surprises and one of the exciting resources that Google put out at the Google for Education updates this past week. And one of these is virtual classroom activities, and it's a Google slide that they've created with stickers and a journal, calendaring, to-do list, different things like that. I've seen pictures all over online, but I haven't seen a lot of people go through and kind of break it down. So below, what I'll do is I'll put a link to this slide. It's public. You can just make a copy on your own. It's all over, on Twitter and everything like that. You should be able to find it if you want to search for it, but it's put together by the Google for Education team. So when we talk about stickers, stickers are designs that the creator basically creates that you can put in a slide. So they've got the entire alphabet. They've got numbers. They've got these stickers, these images. And we'll scroll through and look at some of these things. So this pencil, these art palettes, paint palettes, and different activities that you can do with students that are learning from home, right? Or virtual students. And so as we go through, any of these items are movable, clickable. With the sticker portion, those stickers are created as a whole, so you can't type in this font. Obviously here in this text box you could type in this text box, but these are stickers aligned, and you'll notice when I move it, the guiding lines as we move it back there are there as a sticker. So we'll just go through page by page. We won't spend a lot of time on each one of these. So these are stickers with text box put inside the sticker. So as I move that text box around, or if I want to grab the sticker, I can move that sticker around, and all of these are individual stickers. Even these tiny small, what they look like is check boxes here. You can update the quote of the day. This is all, you can type in here, there if we wanted to. And so this is something that you could reuse month over month or year over year, right? This is just a January one. This is an example of one. If we go down here, right, this is a daily list as opposed to kind of a weekly list. So this is an activity that you could do with elementary, middle, high school students and update those things. We have kind of an empty journal where kids can type and add text boxes here, and put in different activities of things that they want to do. And then we also have almost like a journal entry of a day-to-day digital file. And so what you could do is you could do a multiple copy of this individual slide and then just change the dates running through that. So this is more of a weekly journal kind of to-do list type of things with these slides. Next we have a calendar, right? This is like a monthly calendar. Again, these stickers are all movable, and these text boxes are changeable. So as we go to the calendar, we've got an entire month view here that's full of different stickers and text box. We have the hearts, we have individual sticky notes, again the pencil, some of these thought bubbles. Over here we have the option to put in goals, projects, and once again we could add multiple items here. We can also duplicate items here if we wanted to there. And then we have the blank month. So here's the one that they filled out as an example. And there's an empty one. We have a participation chart, which is cool for students to keep track of how involved they are online, whether that's something that they're tracking themselves, whether their family's doing it. Again, these resources are all digital. So these stickers are movable. You can move them around. The students could move them around. You could push this out through Google Classroom, have each student have a copy of their own. Just kind of keep track of what you're doing. You'll notice some of these stickers have been reused. And what they've done is at the end of this resource, they've given you all these stickers on one sheet. We'll get down there. So again, here's the empty calendar. And then when we talk about the sticker library, here are all of the stickers that they have created. So you'll see you've got all of the months of the year, days of the week, and then with the highlight, then you have these little checkbox items that you can then copy and paste and put in different things. 2021 there, you'll see that, notes, today's tip. The next one down is we have a lot of the visuals that we can add. And again, you're familiar hopefully with slides. You can resize these, make these as big as small as you want by dragging the different corners. Again, if we wanted to copy the whole thing and make 2 of them, we could do those there. If we wanted to change the color, we could highlight the colors and change some of those colors, different things like that. The last few are more of letters. You'll see here we have all the holidays here, so you could run a whole calendar. You have all the numbers so that you could create something for the following year if we wanted to do something for 2022. You could do something like that. Just undoing this so I can keep it all straight and organized. Here's your alphabet. Now the alphabet again is stickers. So as we move these, this is something that we would copy. And ultimately, right, you would copy, have a bunch of C's, and then you could just grab those and put them in wherever you're spelling or wherever you're putting in your language. And then at the end, we have these positive feedback reinforcement. We've added different languages here. Spanish, and you could probably create your own stickers to add here. I know there's sticker kits all over on different websites and different places like Slide World and some of those other places. But again, it's a great resource. Just wanted to share a quick video on this new resource that Google Education for Education has shared. Again, this is the virtual resources to stay organized. Hopefully, this video saved you time, energy, and a little bit of frustration, gave you a little bit closer look of what this looks like. Again, you can share it with your teacher friends. The link will be just right below in a Google slide that you can then make your own copy and share with whoever you want. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and thank you for what you do for kids on a daily basis. If this video saved you time, energy, and frustration, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with your teacher friends. You can subscribe by clicking up here, or you can watch another video either here or here. Again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.